So as you know, there is no clear path for entrepreneurs to get a visa in the United States. There's no startup visa. However, many entrepreneurs are turning to the O1 visa as an alternative. In this video, I'll tell you how, as an entrepreneur, as an international entrepreneur, you can qualify for the O1 visa based on new changes from UCIS. So, what are you waiting for? I'll see you on the other side. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our immigration channel. This is a place we get the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration information, and everything else that you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California. In this video, we'll talk about options for entrepreneurs, specifically with recent guidance from UCIS, making it easier for entrepreneurs to apply for the O1 visa. So, before that, if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. So as you know, if you're an entrepreneur or startup founder or international founder, there is no clear path, there is no specific visa for you to be able to come here, work, and build your company. But recently, many entrepreneurs are turning to the O1 visa as an alternative. And now, specifically in the past couple of weeks, when UCIS expanded the criteria for entrepreneurs, making it a little bit easier for them to qualify for this visa, more and more people are now going to be interested to apply for the O1 visa, especially if they're interested in building or starting something in the United States. The O1 visa is available for entrepreneurs who demonstrated extraordinary ability in art, science, business, education, or athletics. It's also available for those individuals that demonstrate extraordinary ability in television and motion picture industries. The O1 visa is an amazing opportunity for those individuals that are looking to work in the United States, but somehow we're not able to get the H-1B visa because, as you know, it's subject to a numerical cap and very difficult to get. Remember, if you want to apply for the O1 visa, it's very important to demonstrate that you've been recognized nationally or internationally in your field, and I'm going to break it down a little bit further in this video, so make sure you stick to the end. So how can you qualify for the O1 visa based on extraordinary ability in business, science, art, education, or athletics? In general terms, you have to satisfy 3 out of these 10 points that I'm going to go over them in a minute. Point number 1, receipt of nationally or internationally recognized prize or award. Number 2, membership in associations in a field which require outstanding achievements. Number 3, published material in professional or trade publications. Number 4, participation of a judge in the work of others. Number 5, evidence of original contribution. Number 6, authorship of scholarly articles. Number 7, evidence of employment in a critical role. Evidence that the applicant has or will command a high salary. And finally, any comparable evidence doesn't fit in those categories that can be submitted that is relevant. Now remember, you only need 3 out of all these categories that I mentioned. So how do you apply for the O1 visa? Typically, for the O1 visa, you cannot apply as a self-petition. You cannot apply in your own name. You need to have a sponsor or an employer. But if you're an entrepreneur, if you start a company, that company can serve as your sponsor, which is why so many entrepreneurs like to use the O1 visa for that purpose. Remember, these criteria are very general, and we can tailor them to each individual case. So for example, if we talk about the prize, and you're a young entrepreneur, how can you demonstrate that you received a prize or an award? Well, in many cases, what we're able to do is we're able to show that the funding that you received for your company because of your idea, because of your efforts, could also be comparable to that of a prize of an award. And usually those fundings are quite significant, and we're always able to do that to make it comparable to that criteria. So as you can see, you have to be creative, you have to be flexible, and UCIS, now with the new guidance, are going to look at the balancing factors and say, this was awarded to this founder, to this startup, it is comparable to that of an award of a prize. For example, founders that received awards in universities, monetary awards because of their idea, they won a competition, we can use that also to satisfy that requirement. The requirement of membership in associations in the field. Entrepreneurs are encouraged to research associations in their field, those that require you to apply to become a member, those that require you to have a certain kind of skill or a certain kind of achievement. Those are the best associations to use. Then when we file for the entrepreneur case, we're able to use that membership as one of the prongs for this criteria. So as you can see, it is doable. These lists of criteria that I mentioned before, they've been around for many, many years, and they've designed for traditional O1 visas, like artists, entertainers, athletes. But now, with the expansion of entrepreneurship, UCIS recognized that they have to be open to graduates from STEM fields, people that study computer science, mathematics, business professions. Those graduates are now going to be more than ever qualified to apply for the O1 visa based on new guidance from UCIS, and that's why we're excited to make this updated video so you know if you're watching it right now and you're graduating in a STEM category and you have a PhD or a master's, you may also qualify for the O1 visa. So do you need an employer to apply for the O1 visa? Typically no, but at the same time, self-sponsorship is not permitted for the O1 category. In your case, if you're an entrepreneur and you started a company, that company can serve as the sponsor for your O1 visa. If you have spouse and children, they will also come along with you as dependents of the O1 visa. O1 visas are issued for a duration of maximum 3 years and can be renewed. But remember, based on new UCIS guidance, now the National Interest Waiver Self-Petition program is also available for entrepreneurs, specifically those that graduated from STEM degrees and also that are building and creating projects in the United States. So while you're on the O1 visa, most applicants, especially in our office, we try to apply and see if they qualify for the National Interest Waiver, and that's how we get them green cards. So hopefully this information was helpful. This is a great update and a great news for entrepreneurs applying for O1 visa in case they are not able to apply for any other visa like the H-1B. And UCIS is also supporting that by making those requirements a little bit easier. So if you found this information helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.